whole world knows I got the magic touch. Come and taste it, got you falling in love.
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kay. How's it going? So I have been MIA for over a week now, and you guys know I love to be on here talking to y'all. So right now I'm at an Airbnb. I'm cleaning it up real quick. So not real quick. Nothing is quick with the Airbnb. You got to strip down the covers, the blankets, the pillowcases. You got to clean the bathroom. You got to clean everything. Like you got to do everything. So I already have the clothes and the towels and everything in the washer and dryer. Right now I'm just cleaning up other parts of the house, like the bathroom and the kitchen. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Let's go. Let's do this. I love this Airbnb. This is a really nice, beautiful place. And I love coming over here and taking care of it and giving it some love. So yeah, here we go.
You thought it was over?
I wasn't born last night. I know these names ain't right. But you was blowing up her phone last night. But she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Ooh, that's that nerve. Why give her your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give her the inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes. She be mine by halftime. I'm the ooh, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about her. Birdman Jr. and this no flamingos. And I done did everything but trust these see people. When I reach the road with you and you can't do nothing for it. These girls ain't loyal. These girls ain't loyal. Yeah. See, just got rich. Took a broke. I can make a broke rich, but I don't fuck with broke. I know your girl wanna lay with me. I took her to the bay with me. Got the white girls like Lady Gaga. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a Rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke, get drunk. She wanna see him trap, and I bet she love all the rappers. When I reach the road, you want you, baby, and you can't do nothing, boy, nothing, no. These girls ain't loyal, no they ain't. Whoa, these girls ain't loyal. Yeah.
So whoever was here last that was cleaning, look at this. They never changed the filter. Like, won't that break this thing? Like, I mean, I might not know how to do it either, but I'm gonna try. This is crazy. There's no way this thing should be this packed with germs. How do you get this thing off? Okay, here we go. Ugh. Oh no. Okay. Wait a minute, you guys. How do you? Maybe this is how you do it. Ugh. How do you get this thing out? Oh no. Well, at least I got it clean, but now I got another mess, and I gotta get that up. Oh man, dang it. Well, at least it's clean now, so. Okay. Oh my God, let me see. Put this back on here. All right, it's clean, yay. Okay. But now I gotta get this up. And I don't see, they don't have anything here to clean this kind of stuff up with. Hold on, you guys, hold on. So now I gotta take this. I don't even want to touch this stuff. Ugh. Don't they have like little animals that live inside this kind of dust? Oh my gosh. I don't see any. We gotta do better. We definitely gotta do better around here. All right, let's get this up. I don't see any gloves. Okay. Gosh, this is filthy. Okay. There's no broom, no mop in here. The only thing I have is this. So let's see if it works. Does it even come on? How do you turn this thing on? I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about it. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kay, and I am at this Airbnb. I was assigned this house to clean up after people have used it, and no one ever talks about the downside of Airbnb. So I just noticed some things in this house. People steal. Okay, it was like chargers. They had a whole bunch of chargers. All the chargers are no longer here. He had a whole basket filled with blankets. The blankets is one blanket left. So that means at least 3 or 4 blankets are no longer here. And who know? Oh, and he has some very high liquor, like what's the costly liquor, and all of that's gone. So nobody really talks about the downside of having your Airbnb, because you do things for hospitality. You do things to make sure that that person is comfortable and that they are, that they're happy while they're here for the stay. And then they steal from you. I think that's so unfortunate. I really do. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sitting here. I'm trying to dry up all these I washed clothes. I'm drying them now and trying to put things away, and still got some more clothes. I got like another 2 hours for these clothes to dry. And then I can put the clothes back on the bed. And then I'll be done. So I'm just sitting here. I'm watching my girl, Lynn Marie. I love her. You guys, you get a chance, watch her. Her show is called Lynn Marie Stay Lit. And she's a vlogger. She's a full-time camper. But she also has a house that she rents out. But I love her. I love her content. So yeah, if you get a chance, check out her videos. She's high-spirited and young girl, 33 years old. And she's out here doing her thing. is a mess. So this will no longer be used for potential clients, for Airbnb customers. It looks horrible. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this video off now because I still have a whole lot to do. I'm still waiting on the clothes to dry in the dryer, and this is taking a long time. I'm tired, and I don't want to keep you guys. I don't want to drag this video out. So thank you all for joining me and sticking around. If you have stuck around to the end like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and come along with me on my journey in life, all the things that I'm doing. And I have a surprise coming for you guys very, very soon. Yeah, I'm starting a new venture, starting a new business, and I've already got a lot of things taken care of. I just have a few more formalities, and I cannot wait. I probably will talk to you guys about it this week. Yes, I'm excited. So I want you guys to be excited with me and come along with me on my journey, because every time I start a new business, I think it's, you know, I like to share it. I like to share it with you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe. What else? I think that's it. Until next time, bye for now.